Welcome to this tutorial on utilizing filters with the FileZilla command line. Filters are an essential tool for managing your files and directories, allowing you to concentrate on the specific items that matter most to you. Without the filters, you see the entire contents. To apply a filter, use the exclude option. In the following example, files starting with img are excluded from the listing. The exclude option can be applied to various commands affecting files, including listing, file transfer, and file rename commands. The filter takes a type and criteria. The type can be name, size, perm for file attributes, path where the filter is applied to, the names of the directory and subdirectories the file is located, and date, where the filter is applied to the date the file was created or last modified. Multiple filters can be combined using the match option. With match set to any, files matching any of the filters are excluded, while match set to none doesn't exclude any file that matches one or more criteria. Other files are excluded. Use the match option all to apply all filter criteria. In the example, files starting with img and whose modification or creation date is March 7, 2020 are all filtered out. The Not All match option operates inversely, meaning files that match all the filters are not excluded. Other details and examples can be found on FileZilla Pro command line documentation and knowledge base. FileZilla CLI is fast and reliable. Plus, it supports a variety of other cloud protocols: Amazon S3, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Storage, Google Drive, Dropbox, Microsoft OneDrive, OneDrive for Business, Amazon EC2, Backblaze B2, WebDAV, and SharePoint.